Hey folks, so we are going to be going back to the mountains of Western North Carolina. I'm going to be leaving to make a trip up there Friday, November 1st. So you've got just a little less than 2 weeks if you want to contribute to helping send relief aid to these folks. And like I mentioned in a previous video, the needs up there have changed dramatically, okay? So no longer do we need to take food and water. They've got that plenty of food and water in that area going to these people that need that kind of thing. Also, I want to say that on this next trip we're taking, we don't need clothing. We don't need new clothing. We don't need lightly used clothing. We don't need any of that kind of material. The needs right now are going to be for these kind of things. So we're going to need camp stoves, camp fuel, and sleeping bags. So it's going to give these folks a way of preparing a nice hot meal for themselves and have a warm place to sleep at night, because some of these places still don't have power. So some of the more remote areas of Wilkes, Avery County, Mitchell, some of these more northern counties, more rural areas of Western North Carolina, not everybody has got their power back yet. And we are, what, 2-3 weeks since the storm. So that's going to be the type of need that they're going to have. Now, let's talk about financial needs, okay? So a couple things here real quick. I don't want your money. I don't want you making donations of cash or doing online donations to me like we did last time. Instead, I would like to encourage you to give cash donations to Samaritan's Purse. I'll put a link in this video, below the video, of how you can make donations to them. Samaritan's Purse is doing an awesome job up there. Their volunteers are in the process of helping clean out the debris and repair the houses that are repairable, so these people will have a place to live. And it's just an awesome thing that this group is doing, and I highly recommend them. I couldn't recommend them any more than I am. They are a great group of people doing a great work up there. So that's one way of giving financially. We are talking to some other folks that are working on charities for people who are renting. So what a lot of people don't understand is these folks that live up there, they've lost their livelihoods too, not just their homes and the roads and the power and all that. Some of them no longer can work right now because their job went away, but they still have to make their rent payments. And so to keep a roof over their head, we're working with some people that hopefully we'll be able to give you an update a little later on about a way that you can donate money that'll go to these renters, and it'll be earmarked to help them keep a roof over their head. Anyway, if you'd like to contribute, I'll also be meeting people on Thursday, the 31st of October, down at the Walmart parking lot like I did before. So if you want to wait, and it would help me a lot if you would wait and come down to the Walmart in North Myrtle Beach to make the donations of, like I said, camping fuel, camping stove, camping equipment, sleeping bags, things like that. Let me tell you, so the clothing and stuff that's being donated is just piling up. They've got more of it than they can even process. But what I learned today through a YouTuber, she goes by the name of Shepherdess, and I'm going to share her video so you can watch it, is that these kind of supplies, the camping supplies that are going up that area, are immediately being taken out to people that need this desperately. Again, like I said, a lot of people don't have electricity. Anyway, I appreciate everything that this community is doing, Little River and North Myrtle Beach, and contributing so much to this cause. You guys are heroes in my book because you're going above and beyond to help your neighbors in West North Carolina. God bless you, and I'll see you soon on the next update.